My name is Owen.
My name's Jack, and we're the Animal Company
Nice Guys.
Usually, we do competitions, giveaways, that kind of stuff.
And in this video, we're going to be showing you how to get all the money to pay for all the bags and giveaways.
And one more thing, join our Discord in the description. Thank you.
Alright, on to the video.
So, to make everything, all the money for our videos, we go down to hell.
Yep.
You guys should be happy we're doing this. There's no clouds. What the heck?
What?
There's no clouds.
Is that even fire at us?
No, it wouldn't.
I want to try. You want to try and let them target us and see if we can fire anything?
No enemies for us.
There's one singular cloud over there.
Ain't no way. Mine ain't no way. Mine ain't no way. No, research point, let's go. Are you seeing the creepy figures in your room again?
No.
Another research point? Did they up the chances? Or was just recording better?
I mean, I saw the...
Is there one cloud in this entire thing? Oh my god. Oh no, guys, the one cloud's latching on to me, guys. Where the freaky boy are you, buddy? Getting to me and it died. Football! My baby has come back to me. Now I'm gonna abuse you again. Hiya!
Okay, got a full bag.
Good.
Okay, we should definitely get going.
No, I'd mind.
Tell me when you're ready to go.
You can go right now if you want to, if you're full. I'm so heavy! Yo, not in that way. Guys, I'm so scared! Guys, I'm so scared. I don't know how to do this. Gulper Scoob. Just gonna grab an ore out of the back rooms, thanks. Time for my favorite part, y'all. Riding away. Gobi. How did I miss that? Ooh, my head hurts. Owen, come back to Stump if you don't smell like a butthole.
Hey, you can't say that on video.
Shut your...
This would be the end of the video, I guess. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Discord.
And share it with anyone you know because we're just a little goobly gobblers.